Hi class, this is the Google Slides you're going to use to create your Google slide on the myth, legends, folktales, fables, or fairy tales. You can do one that you read, or you can create your own. You're going to do this by drawing pictures, and as you see here, I have the plot diagram where you start off with the exposition or the beginning, the rising action, the climax, the highest point, the following action, and the resolution, how the conflict was solved. So on each of these slides, you have the definition. So in this one, an exposition, this is where you will introduce the background information about events, settings, characters, or other elements of your work to the audience or readers. So this is where you're kind of setting up your story. Rising action. This is how the events in a story build excitement until they reach the most exciting point, which is called the climax. You should have at least 2 slides for rising action. The climax is the turning point of a story when the main character's problem begins to be solved or resolved. We can think of the climax as the most important and exciting moment in an entire story, or we can think of it as the most intense and emotional part of a narrative. On the last slide, you can combine the following action and the resolution. The following action is the events that happen after the climax in the story. They wrap up the plot and lead to the resolution. The resolution, this is the conclusion of the story's plot. The story begins to slow down at this point, tying up loose ends. The conflict is solved and the story ends. Now, you do not have to use this theme. You can change the background, you can change the layout. Here's themes where you can change, and you can add transitions. This should be pictures. You're not typing words in here. You're either taking pictures, drawing pictures, taking them, uploading them to your computer. You can come up here, upload from the computer. You can add photos, but you're using pictures to create your story. If you have any questions, please email me or let me know as soon as possible. Thank you. Enjoy having fun with this. You have 3 days to work on this.